All right, y'all, so I got more goodies that have arrived from the folks over at Samsung. Not only did I get my Galaxy Z Fold 8, which is an absolute beast. This thing is really dope. I absolutely love this device here. This thing is really nice here. So I got something else in the building to pair with that, and that is the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 here on deck. Now I went with the black joint. Last year I went with the white, but I decided to switch it up. I did like the black color a little more. Let's go ahead and get into this box, set the watch up, get it paired to the Galaxy Z Fold 8, and I'll give you guys my first initial impression. Let's get into it. My experiences so far with the Z Fold 8 has been really good. Nice. Now I did go with the marine band. I figured that looks pretty good. We got the puck right here, and ooh, look at this stealthiness on this. This looks clean. I am liking that dark color here. So you got your buttons over here on the side. They did say the buttons are more spaced out, and you do have a more pronounced middle button here. You can use the watch bands from the Ultra, the first variant. This looks pretty good, and it's a little slimmer than the previous joints. Go ahead and peel this off. All right. I'm gonna sit this to the side, and you lift this up, and you have the band. Let's check out the band. And it feels soft. Oh my God, that feels really soft. You get the Ultra. If you one of them people that you want everybody to know that you got that new, and gone are the rigid look. It's more breathable. Let's see if we can get this out of here. Let's go ahead and clean all this up. So give me 1 second. So let's go ahead and put the band on. There we go. And let's snap on the top piece. Hey, and just like that, it is on there. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I am rocking the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. This is a dope watch, pretty clean, but this right here looks good. Let's go ahead and compare this to the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Hey, it pops up, so we're gonna go ahead and connect, confirm. So we are all set. The watch is at 84%. So yeah, let's go ahead and strap the watch on. See what it looks like. Get this thing on the wrist. Yeah, this band feels absolutely fantastic, y'all. The band, ooh. This thing looks clean. Look at that, clean. That looks clean. So I'm pretty excited, man. I did have the Watch Ultra, the first one, and this thing is really snappy. This thing has 800 milliamps of battery. So this should be like a 3-day device or something like that. For my watches, I normally turn off always on display to save a little battery. So I may get stellar battery out of this. This is very familiar territory, coming from the Watch 8 Classic, and before that, coming from the Ultra Watch, the OG variant. Yeah, this is pretty dope. Now I know this looks like a big chunker on my wrist. So y'all let me know what you think of the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. This thing is packed with features and whatnot, so I'm really not gonna get into all of that. This is just an unboxing, letting you guys know how the watch looks. So if you guys are interested, stay locked into the channel because your boy got some heat coming. Got more cases showing up as well. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, do the homie a huge favor, hit the like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. That way you are notified whenever new video drops. And as always, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll holler at you in my next video. Later.